Reagan, and today we're going to be reviewing Nickelodeon Color Changing Slime. So let's open it. So let's unbox it. Okay, so right here, there's an opening. So let's open it on up and see what happens. So first, of course, you always need instructions. Oh, the box is, I don't know if it's upside down or not. Whoa, look at that. Oh, hold on, I'll get it in a minute. I'll be right back. I'm back. Sorry, that took a minute. But this was the activator. So it comes with activator, and it also comes with glue, some PVA glue, and it comes with a bowl and 3 different color changing paints, and then a spoon, containers, mixing sticks, and the tops. So I'm just gonna, oh, I don't have to tear it open. I wanted to tear it open, but that's okay. Oh, we still can. There we go. So, containers, measuring cup, spoon, mixing sticks, tops, and then we'll put this piece of cardboard over here. Okay, so let's start making it. I'll get the instructions. Where did those go? I think, oh, here they are. My bad. Okay, so the first thing is to measure 15 milliliters of clear glue. So I'm gonna get my measuring cup and we're gonna put 15 milliliters in there. Oh wait, there's probably a seal. There's not a seal. Okay. This is kind of a weird measuring cup. Okay, so like I said, 15 milliliters. Okay, here's 15 milliliters. Okay, that's about 50 milliliters. So then, pour it into the bowl, and you have to scrape the walls of the measuring cup to make sure it all gets in there. There we go. Okay, there we go. So after that, it says add 20 milliliters of water. So about I'll get that again. Something fell. Okay, so now I got the glue. And after that, it says add a spoonful of colorant to the bowl. So I'm gonna add pink. That's a spoonful. I don't know if they actually meant spoonful, but I added a spoonful, so there. And then you stir the mixture of the coloring, the glue, and the water together. This is a very small spoon. Alright guys, I'm seeing a little change. I mean, it took a minute to mix. It's still like little flakes of color, but I think that the color will start to mix in. Oh yeah, it's totally starting to mix in. Alright, that's good. So after that, it says measure 5 milliliters. 5 milliliters. Okay, 5 milliliters. 5 milliliters. Right. And it says the back. After that, so you pour in the solution slowly and mix. That's what I like to do. Okay, so now the slime is activating. Whoa, this is such a cool slime, guys. It's a little, like all slimes turn out like this, really. This is how the black chalkboard slime came out. That video did not ever come out. I don't know why, but I made a chalkboard slime once, and it was really cool. It was thick like this. So, ooh, this is a sticky slime. You are very sticky. Alright, add this in. Okay, that's a little better. I was like, why is it not? Okay, guys, I'm really excited about this slime. Ooh, this slime seems a little sticky. You kind of have to add a little more activator than it says because it is kind of sticky. Ooh, okay. So after that, after all the slime, for the color change slime, you raise the temperature like so. Let's say I wanted the slime to change color, I would have to make it hotter. It's not gonna change right now. I feel like, no, does not work. This does not change color right away. I don't know why. Maybe it has to be like super hot, but that would probably burn your hands. I don't know. But make sure you follow me. Make sure to follow me, guys, on Instagram and go check out my YouTube and subscribe to me on YouTube. Bye.